The kidneys perform several vital functions in the body, the most important of which include filtering the blood from toxins and eliminating waste through urine. That's why it's really important to reduce your risk of getting kidney disease by breaking certain bad habits and replacing them with good ones. 6 most common habits that can seriously harm your kidneys. Number 1. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys produce urine to remove sodium and toxins from your body. If you don't drink enough water on a regular basis, it may cause serious health problems, including painful kidney stones. For most people, 1.5 to 2 liters of water a day is enough to keep their kidneys healthy. And don't forget that other drinks won't do. It's only pure water that counts. Number 2. Keeping your bladder full for a prolonged time. Not emptying your bladder on time is one of the main causes of kidney problems. If you often resist the urge to pee, the urine remains in your bladder for a longer period and bacteria begin multiplying much faster. Eventually, this can lead to serious consequences like kidney infections and urinary incontinence. Number 3. Sitting still. Sitting for long periods of time has now been linked to the development of kidney disease. Although researchers don't know yet why or how sedentary time or physical activity directly impact kidney health, it is known that greater physical activity is associated with improved blood pressure and glucose metabolism, both important factors in kidney health. Number 4. Missing out on sleep. It turns out that a good night's rest is extremely important not only for your overall well-being, but for your kidney health as well. Your sleep-wake cycles regulate and coordinate your kidney function, and this organ's tissues are renewed only when you're sleeping. So if you don't get enough sleep, you interrupt this process and increase your risk of kidney damage. Number 5. Eating too much meat. Animal protein generates high amounts of acid in the blood that can be harmful to the kidneys and cause acidosis, a condition in which kidneys cannot eliminate acid fast enough. Protein is needed for growth, upkeep, and repair of all parts of the body, but your diet should be well balanced with fruits and vegetables. Number 6. Overusing painkillers. Regular overuse of painkillers can result in kidney damage and even total kidney failure. This may happen because over-the-counter analgesics decrease the blood flow to your kidneys and worsen their functioning, especially if you already have kidney disease. So even if you suffer from severe pain, don't forget that painkillers should only be taken for a short period of time and at the lowest dose possible.